People in California are on edge after a woman tested positive for the bubonic plague. Yes, you heard that one correctly. The plague actually never really went away, apparently. About 7 people get it every year across the country. It's mainly found in small animals and insects like squirrels and fleas. Just last month, though, a woman contracted the plague after walking her dog. Now experts are telling people to pay attention to their surroundings.
So people should be on the lookout for, for unusual things like a rodent acting unusual, or a rodent that is dead with no visible signs of trauma.
So it could be rabies or it could be the plague. Good to know. The U.S. Forest Service has closed the area while they work to kill the fleas there. The local health department says the woman is responding well to treatment and should be able to leave the hospital soon. Now for some coronavirus news in this morning's health check, the CDC says states should be ready to give out coronavirus vaccines by the end of next month. Public health providers have already been called in to help. Medical reporter Liz Bonus shows us why that extra help may be critical.